Aries, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 14th of March. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly see what this week has for you. Okay, you have the 10 of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and the 5 of Cups. Your person has the Fool card, Judgment, and the 6 of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck I have the King of Wands, so that's a pair. Okay, this person and you are connected, that's definitely there. Let's see what the top row shows for you. Now you have the 10 of Pentacles. Okay, so Aries, you are definitely looking for a very stable relationship where you want to build with this person, you want to have all the things in place, you want to have a family with them, and that's what everybody wants at the end. They want the relationship to mature and you want to settle down, commit with that person, and then eventually grow old. That's what your energy is currently. However, I also see that you also have the Queen of Wands energy, so you're very attractive and magnetic. Okay, people are attracted to you, and that's one thing that is always there mostly for Aries, that they're very attractive, they attract a lot of people. Okay, deep down I see that there is something that has happened, okay, that you feel a little bit of a heartbreak for. Maybe the relationship is not going in the direction that you intended this relationship to go, or maybe your person has done something for which you feel that all is lost, but that's not the case. You shouldn't be that hurt. I would say you need to just give it some time, because if you look at this particular card in the traditional tarot, there are 2 cups which are still there, which means that there is love. Maybe there are certain circumstances which may have happened recently, and that's why you're feeling like this, but you can go ahead and change the situation. Just have a little trust, and maybe you need to go ahead and work together as a team and communicate more. Okay, now your person has the Fool card, which is the Aries card. Okay, now they want to go ahead and take a big leap of faith, and they want to go ahead and move forward in this relationship. So this person will take a big leap of faith and do something that maybe you're not expecting right now, and that's because they also have the Judgment card. With the Judgment card and the third eye that is opened in the Judgment card, they will clearly see things. Okay, if there was something that they thought that was not going correct, or there was some bit of miscommunication that happened, I think they will go ahead and introspect, okay, and understand, okay, why these things happened in the relationship. And once they're very clear on what could be the root cause of that, they will come back and they will take a big leap of faith towards you. So you just need to be a little more patient. Now I also see you have the 6 of Pentacles. Now with the 6 of Pentacles, this person needs to compromise. Okay, so both of you need to compromise and adjust and understand that relationships work only when both people walk, okay, and both people take the same effort. It can't be a 60-40 or a 70-30. It has to be a 50-50. Okay, so if at any one point in time you or the other person was not putting in that effort, they have to compromise. Okay, and that's very loud and clear in this spread. Now let's see what's the intention of this person for you this week. Let's take one card. Spirit, help me with one card here, please. Alright, the intention of this person is the 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands is when a person wants to go ahead and communicate. So there could be some communication coming towards you. It could be in the form of some text messages. It can be a call. It can be any form of technology that can be used to communicate something. So there's some communication that's going to happen. Let's take one more card here. Let's take one more. Alright, the Empress card. So they definitely look at you as the Empress. They understand that you are a catch, and they know that they will not get somebody like you. Okay, they understand that, and they want to communicate that yes, they want to go ahead and build a future with you. Maybe there's something that is just stopping them right now, but that's not the case. You just need to be a little patient with them. Now let's take one more card. Alright, now if you see, you have the Judgment here, and they also have a Judgment here from 2 different decks. So with the Judgment card, whatever is done which was not correct, that will be undone. Okay, so all things that were done which were not fruitful for this particular relationship, they will go ahead and rectify all those and ensure that you both move forward in a direction, and they will proclaim and they will tell you, okay, that this is what the judgment is and this is what I'm going to do going forward. So that judgment call will happen. It's just that they need to do a little bit of self introspection, and the minute the third eye opens, that's when all these things would happen. Now let's quickly take one card here, which is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the message here is from Archangel Ariel and the crystal is ruby. The crystal message is, do you need to add a little pizzas to your life? How have you been feeling tired lately? It is time to take steps to improve your endurance and overall health. Give your energy centers a recharged and renew your passion for living a vibrant life. So all this card is saying is you need to take care of your health first in order for you to go ahead and be in a relationship with somebody else. Now that's all I have for you, Aries, for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, stay safe and love yourself first.